Hey there, travelers. If you've ever scrolled through pictures of Europe, the castles, the cafes, the charm, and thought, maybe someday, when the budget allows, then this one's for you. Let me tell you about a place that's rich in history, brimming with culture, and still wonderfully affordable. This isn't the Europe you've seen 100 times in guidebooks. It's more grounded, more real, and far more affordable than you'd expect. In this video, we're taking you on a thoughtfully curated journey through Poland's most captivating cities, cultural treasures, and natural wonders. Places chosen not just for how they look, but for how they make you feel. Whether you're craving quiet forests, dramatic architecture, or moments that give you goosebumps, this is for you. If you're thinking of discovering Poland for the first time, start your journey in the south, in a city that feels like a storybook has come to life, Krakow. This isn't just another pretty old town. It was once the seat of Polish royalty, and today, it holds onto that regal charm with quiet dignity. Wander through the cobbled lanes of the old town, and let the haunting trumpet call from St. Mary's Basilica wash over you. It's played every hour like a heartbeat connecting the past to the present. You might not know the story behind it yet, but you'll feel it. Take your time here. A guided walk helps peel back Krakow's layers. Gothic churches, secret courtyards, and age-old legends hiding in plain sight. When you get hungry, follow your nose to a local cafe. Order pierogi, a soft dumplings filled with mushrooms, meat, or even sweet cheese. It's comfort in a bite. Climb up to Wawel Castle and its cathedral next. These walls have seen kings crowned, invaders repelled, and prayers whispered in silence. And for a view that feels like a deep breath, walk up to Kosciuszko Mound. Krakow unfurls before you like a painting. If you want to understand Krakow more deeply, take a golf cart ride through the Jewish quarter and the remnants of the former ghetto. These are not easy places, but they are necessary. And if you're ready for it, visiting Auschwitz-Birkenau is profoundly moving. You'll see the infamous Camp Gate with its chilling slogan, the original train car used for transporting prisoners, and the Auschwitz execution wall. Inside, witness the horrifying remnants. Zyklon B gas cans, gas chambers, and the crematorium. At Birkenau, the vast scale hits you. Rows of wooden barracks, barbed wire fences, and the stark international monument to the victims. It's not easy, but it's a place that confronts history with honesty. And you walk away changed forever. Then, for a shift in mood and an unexpected adventure, descend into the Wilicka salt mine. Yes, salt. Carved chapels, gleaming chandeliers, and entire rooms made of it. It's like walking through a cathedral built by miners with a sense of awe. And when you feel like slowing the tempo, head into the Tatra Mountains in Zakopane. Here, crisp alpine air fills your lungs. Wooden chalets dot the hillsides, and the thermal pools wrap you in warmth. It's the perfect way to close your Krakow chapter, with stillness and a quiet kind of joy. If you're enjoying this journey, please consider liking this video and subscribing. We've only just begun. After the calm of the mountains and the soul-searching moments near Krakow, your path leads north to a city that wears its past with courage. Warsaw. It's not the kind of place that tries to charm you at first glance. But give it a moment, and it will move you. Start with the Palace of Culture and Science. It looms over the city, part relic, part icon. And while opinions are split, there's no denying the view from the top is something you'll carry with you. Then, lace up your shoes for an afternoon tour through the Old Town. It's not as old as it looks. Most of it was rebuilt from rubble after World War II. But that's the thing about Warsaw. Every stone, every street here tells a story of resilience. Begin the journey in the heart of Old Town. Admire Castle Square and the Royal Castle, where Polish monarchs ruled from 1596 to 1795, and where the Polish president briefly took residence in 1918. Nearby, spot King Sigismund's third column, Poland's first secular monument. Visit the memorial to the heroes of the ghetto, a tribute to those who resisted, a powerful reminder of the city's wartime past. Past the Holy Cross Church, home to an urn containing Chopin's heart. Then, slow your pace as you stroll through the Royal Park, where Łazienki Park offers a green urban escape. Don't miss the Palace on the Water, the lavish summer home of the last Polish king, Stanisław August Poniatowski. Along the way, cruise past the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, the Warsaw Uprising Monument, and the Monument to the Victims of Katyn, each telling part of the city's deep and layered story. When you're ready for a change of pace, wander through the gardens of Wilanow Palace. This place is pure elegance. A Polish Versailles bathed in soft light and surrounded by blooms. Feeling curious about Poland's coastal side? Gdańsk is just ahead, waiting with open arms and centuries of stories. As you make your way to the Baltic Sea, Gdańsk feels like stepping into a storybook. Once the heart of Poland's amber trade, this city has long been a place of merchants, shipbuilders, and revolutionaries. The bright facades of buildings lining the Long Market seem almost to smile in the sunlight, the iconic Green Gate. And Neptune's fountain sparkles in the heart of Długi Targ Square. Tells a tale of Gdańsk's deep connection to the sea and trade. Artist Court and Artist Square echo tales of trade guilds and royal gatherings, adding depth to the city's legendary charm. Stroll down Mariacka Street, Gdańsk's most enchanting lane, where amber shops glow warmly and cobbled steps whisper tales of centuries gone by. To go deeper, hop on a golf cart tour and venture beyond the usual routes. You'll find yourself at St. Mary's Church, one of Europe's largest brick churches. Then, explore the Museum of the Second World War, a deeply immersive space that lays bare the devastating impact of the war, especially on Polish soil. Then, walk through the historic Gdańsk shipyard, where the Solidarity movement was born, a powerful symbol of resistance that helped bring down communism. And don't miss Westerplatte, where the first shots of World War II were fired, a sight that feels both solemn and significant. But before you leave, don't rush off just yet. A magical fairy tale town awaits you just up ahead. Nestled in western Poland, Wrocław has this magical vibe about it. A city with winding canals, soaring Gothic spires, and more than 600 tiny bronze statues, each one a whimsical dwarf hiding in plain sight. Finding them scattered throughout the city makes exploring feel like a playful scavenger hunt. You'll be smiling as you go along, never quite knowing when you'll spot the next little bronze character. Take a walking tour through Wrocław's charming old town, with its colorful market squares and narrow cobbled streets. But don't stop there. Head over to Ostrów Tumski, the cathedral island. The architecture here is rich, romantic, and has that lovely bohemian flair, making it the perfect spot to pause and take in the city's vibe. When dusk settles in, find a cozy spot by the river. There's something about the way the city transforms in the evening light, you'll find yourself not wanting to leave. After you've experienced the enchanting atmosphere of Wrocław, it's time for a little detour to a city that's all about reinvention, Katowice. It might surprise you, but this once industrial powerhouse has emerged as a beacon of modernity and creativity. One place that perfectly captures this transformation is the Silesian Museum. Housed in a former coal mine, the museum blends sleek modern design with the raw history of the region's industrial roots. It's unlike anything you've seen before, making it one of the most innovative museums in Europe. It is a spot where art meets history in an unexpected way, and this place is a must-see. After immersing yourself in the industrial creativity of Katowice, it's time to escape the city buzz and discover something completely different. Park Grodek in Jaworzno. Just a short distance away, this hidden oasis is like a secret waiting to be uncovered. Often referred to as Poland's Maldives, this tranquil spot is a stark contrast to the urban landscape you've just left behind. Imagine stepping into a world where turquoise waters meet rugged limestone cliffs, and peace surrounds you at every turn. It's the kind of place that makes you pause and breathe deeply, appreciating the beauty of nature. Whether you're snapping photos or simply soaking in the stillness, Park Grodek offers a refreshing change of pace. Following your tranquil time in Park Grodek, Jaworzno, where nature wrapped you in its calm embrace, the adventure now leads you further into the wild heart of Poland. Explore the Białowieża Forest, a true testament to Europe's ancient, untamed beauty. Located on the border with Belarus, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the largest remaining parts of the vast primeval forest that once covered much of Europe. As you step into the forest, the ancient trees seem to whisper stories of centuries gone by. The air here feels different, older, fresher. If you walk quietly enough, you might even spot a European bison, a rare glimpse of wildlife that's as majestic as the forest itself. Białowieża Forest isn't just a place you visit. It's an experience that humbles you. Its raw beauty and timelessness remind you of the natural world before human hands ever touched it. This is nature in its purest form, and you can't help but feel a deep connection to it. So could we inspire your next great European adventure? Poland is more than a destination. It's a story, a feeling, a series of moments that stay with you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and hit subscribe for more curated travel escapes. If you have already started planning your Poland's trip, we have curated and shared the best Get Your Guide experiences so that your travel to Poland is smooth and worry-free. Check the links in the description box to have an unforgettable journey through Poland. Until next time, keep wandering and keep dreaming.